Welcome, fellow seekers of truth and believers in the power of the mind. Today, we embark on a journey into the realms of thought transmission and fourth-dimensional thinking, guided by the wisdom of the renowned spiritual teacher Neville Goddard. As followers of Goddard's teachings, we understand the immense potential that lies within our imagination and our ability to manifest our desired realities. In this video, we will delve deep into the fascinating concepts of consciousness and reality, exploring how they intertwine and shape our experiences. So, let us open our minds and hearts as we embark on this enlightening journey into the world of thought transmission and fourth-dimensional thinking with Neville Goddard. Okay, let's get started. Fourth-dimensional thinking is a concept that goes beyond the limitations of our five senses. It involves engaging our minds in a way that allows us to tap into higher levels of consciousness and manifest our desires. One aspect of fourth-dimensional thinking is thought transmission, which is an inherent power that can be operated through this type of thinking. Many people have experienced the power of visualizing tasks or goals in depth before starting them. This visualizing process allows for the deployment of a foolproof strategy that has been evaluated from various outcomes presented in the mind's eye. By engaging in this type of thinking, individuals can enhance their ability to manifest their desired outcomes. What's interesting about fourth-dimensional thinking is that multiple deliberate acts of it can manifest simultaneously, proving that the great law works beyond beliefs of time and space. For example, individuals may imagine conversations with influential figures like Neville Goddard, studying their work and gaining insights related to different experiences in life. This type of manifestation can occur even in lucid dreams, where those teachings can be further explored. To fully embrace fourth-dimensional thinking, it's essential to suspend judgment and allow the senses to evidence what is wonderful. This means not attaching a specific meaning to the word wonderful, but rather experiencing the fullness of it through the senses. Friends, imagination is a fundamental aspect of manifesting realities. For many individuals, the book Think, Grow Rich has played a significant role in introducing them to the law of manifestation. The principles outlined in the book have led to remarkable financial success for countless people. Key concepts in understanding the law of manifestation include the subconscious mind, autosuggestion, and the sixth sense. These ideas emphasize the importance of harnessing the power of the mind to create the desired outcomes in life. Dreams and encounters with spiritual figures can provide further clarity and guidance on the path of manifestation. These experiences serve as reminders that the unseen world is just as real as the physical realm. They highlight the fluidity of time, space, and manifestation. A personal example of dining at the same restaurant where a dream occurred demonstrates how our imaginations can bring forth our desires into reality. Scripture passages such as Romans 11:33 and Isaiah 55:9 further emphasize the limitless nature of manifestation and the wisdom of a higher power. These passages remind us that there is a higher intelligence at work, and when we allow manifestations to unfold naturally without trying to control or manipulate the process, we can experience perfect harmony in our manifestation. The relationship between consciousness and reality has long been a topic of interest and exploration for both physicists and philosophers. Quantum pioneers such as Max Planck, Erwin Schrödinger, and Werner Heisenberg believed that consciousness was not just a byproduct of the brain, but a fundamental trait of the universe itself. However, these assertions were based on opinion rather than scientific proof. To truly understand the nature of consciousness and its role in reality, it is essential to examine how it fits into the quantum field, which is considered the fundamental ground of reality. This exploration requires a deep understanding of the behavior and properties of the quantum field. It is through the power of imagination that the visible world is created and experienced through our five senses. In this perspective, everything that exists in the physical world originates from consciousness and exists in some form before it appears. This idea finds support in biblical references, such as Genesis 21, which states that the creation of the heavens and the earth and everything in them was already completed. This suggests that the world we perceive through our senses is a manifestation of consciousness through imagination. In the context of thought transmission and fourth-dimensional thinking, the application of conscious thinking and the ability to transmit thoughts to manifest desired outcomes become vital. These practices can influence our reality and bring about meaningful synchronicities and coincidences that align with our conscious imaginal acts. Universal law of attraction states that like attracts like, meaning that the thoughts, emotions, and beliefs we emit create energetic vibrations that shape our experiences. To effectively harness the law of attraction, it is important to align our thoughts and emotions with what we desire. By clearly defining and envisioning our desires, we send a strong signal to the universe, increasing the likelihood of attracting those very things into our lives. Cultivating a positive mindset is another crucial aspect of harnessing the law of attraction. Our thoughts and emotions carry energetic vibrations that can either attract or repel what we desire. By maintaining a positive mindset and focusing on the positive aspects of our desires, we are more likely to align ourselves with the vibrational frequency needed to manifest them. Intentions also play a vital role in the manifestation process. By setting clear and specific intentions, we provide a roadmap for the universe to follow in bringing our desires into reality. The more clarity and specificity we can bring to our intentions, the more likely we are to attract and manifest exactly what we desire. Autosuggestion is another powerful tool that allows us to unlock hidden potentials within ourselves. It involves consciously implanting positive beliefs and attitudes into our subconscious, which in turn shape our thoughts, actions, and experiences. Our life experiences are a reflection of the thoughts, beliefs, and states that we subconsciously accept. To change our world, we must first change our conception of it. By self-suggesting and mentally talking to others as we want them to be, we can influence their appearance and behavior. This process of mental transmission can have a profound impact on our relationships and interactions with others. It is important to note that beliefs and attitudes are not fixed and can be changed through self-suggestion. By disregarding appearances and affirming what we wish to be true, we can awaken the desired state within ourselves. This awakening sets the tone for the state to manifest in both ourselves and the individuals we interact with. The power of autosuggestion extends beyond personal transformation. It is a principle of giving and receiving, as the beliefs and attitudes we transmit to others are reflected back to us. This interconnectedness highlights the importance of cultivating positive and empowering thoughts and beliefs. Neville Goddard encouraged individuals to use their imagination and thought transmission to manifest their desires and shape their reality. His teachings provide valuable insights into the power of fourth-dimensional thinking and the law of attraction. And there you have it, my friends. We have reached the end of this incredible journey through the teachings of Neville Goddard. I hope you found this video enlightening and empowering as we delved into the power of our thoughts and imagination to shape our reality. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the wisdom shared, we kindly request you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our future videos that are filled with transformative content just like this one. We truly appreciate your support, and we would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Share your experiences, insights, and let us know how this knowledge has impacted your manifestation journey. Until we meet again in our next video, keep harnessing the power within you and manifesting the life of your dream.